We're back on our front porch this week on Pole House Black Pot Weekend Getaways. On the menu
is a lemon Parmesan pasta.
And pork steaks, yummy, yummy. So stick around. This is Wade, and I'm Angel, and this is Iris, and we are Pole House Black Pots Weekend Getaways, where we show you all things yummy to cook in cast iron as we visit different places.
Now, these are just some simple pork steaks that we're cooking for supper. Our main video we're going to do and show you how to do is actually our side dish, and that is going to be a lemon Parmesan pasta. Simple pork steaks. We're using onion powder, garlic powder, seasoned salt, and now some black pepper. I seasoned, put the seasoned side up. When I started, I should have put the seasoned side down. So then I can go ahead and start that side cooking and get this side seasoned. We're doing more of an indirect method. A lot of charcoal down the center, meat on both sides, and we'll put it down, keep it kind of slow cook. Semi kind of medium heat. This will take about a good hour to get done. We'll shut the heat down a little bit. It's all the way open now. It's about halfway open. And let it cook.
Well, we're on our front porch again. Not too many more times. I think we're going to have one more time, and then we're going to have a couple of things where we're getting away camping. Can't wait.
It'll be fun.
Yeah, it will be. Now, we're cooking a whole meal on our front porch. One thing about our house is with it being all wood like this, it soaks up the heat and it gets hot and it stays hot in there. So starting about now, when it gets a little warmer, until well after summer, we wind up cooking quite a bit on our front porch. So what are we having tonight, mister?
Well, I already showed you, well, I'm probably going to show you some footage right now, but I started some pork steak on our Weber kettle, and then that's cooking, and while that's cooking, we're going to do our side dish.
Which is what we're demonstrating.
Yep, and that is a lemon Parmesan pasta.
So we're going to get things around. We'll be right back.
Time to flip them. Looking good. Now, we'll put this mixture on here, keeping moisture on there.
What's in that mixture?
This is a neat mixture of garlic powder, onion powder, and equal parts of vinegar and butter. My dad taught me this years ago when I was a kid, and he always did this and just kept basting. Every time you check it, you baste it. And he always did it with his chicken. And I figured it works good on anything that we're cooking. So we'll let that keep cooking.
On this channel, we show you yummy, delicious and interesting things to cook in cast iron, most specifically Dutch ovens. Do you know we have a cookbook? It not only shows you great tips how to use your Dutch ovens, but it gives you our first 2 years of recipes. They're $20 with $6 shipping and handling. You can get those at Pole House Black Pots, P.O. Box 212, Fayette, Missouri 65248, or on Venmo.
Yes, in the Venmo, look up Pole House Black Pots on Venmo. Okay, we just got the pasta all cooked as according to pasta cooking package instructions. We drained it off, and now we got our Dutch oven ready. We still got a full bed of coals underneath the 10-inch Dutch oven. So we're gonna finish this dish up with half a stick of butter. Whoops, I made a mess. Okay. All right. We're going to do about the same amount of olive oil. We can always add a little bit more olive oil. We're not going to overdo it right now. And we're going to put in a teaspoon of minced garlic. Now, hon, can you go in and get me a stirring utensil? I forgot that. I'm sorry. I'm always forgetting something. Use this one for a minute here. Get that garlic kind of stirred around in there. Cooked a little bit. That'll be more flavorful. We're also going to add the zest of 1 lemon. Thank you, hon. Okay. Let that cook a few minutes. While that's cooking, we're going to add a nice fair amount of fresh black pepper. This dish comes together pretty quick, so this is a fairly light, so it'll be good for summertime or springtime like we're doing it right now. It's a good side dish.
Hey, honey, you think we ought to talk about what I found yesterday?
Oh, out on our little piece of land?
Yes.
Yeah, it was kind of interesting. you were out and looking for some stuff and you ran over something on the. And
In
luckily,
my car,
luckily,
yes.
it didn't do anything, but we found some fresh this year's deer antler sheds from a nice 10-point buck.
The one I was hunting last year. I'm putting that picture up.
It's a miracle that things didn't go the wrong way and you run over.
And I found them together.
Now we added the pasta. Now we just stir everything together. And if we need to,
You don't have the Parmesan out
I
here.
don't have Parmesan yet, and also need to add the juice of 1 lemon. Stir it up good. That's good.
This is one of Leslie's favorite dishes.
Yeah.
She's been asking for it.
And now
haven't
we're
had
gonna
time.
put some, and we'll keep some for our garnish. Healthy amount of fresh grated Parmesan.
She's been wanting this and asking for it, and we just haven't done it, have we?
No, we haven't. I think it's time now, springtime, be perfect. Pour all this together. I think we might need a little bit more olive oil. Combination of butter and olive oil is pretty good for something like this.
And I'm gonna come in here, because we're not gonna show you or taste it. We know how well it is, how good it tastes. We're gonna give you a picture of what it looks like when we serve it with our pork steak. So,
Yeah.
if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, which is a like. Share us on Facebook or Instagram. Give us a comment on a side dish. We're needing recipes bad.
Oh yeah.
And please subscribe if you haven't already. It really does help us, and we thank you for watching.
All right. See you everybody next week. Bye.